Good morning. Today's session we are going to see the math subject for grade 3. Previous session we discussed about the tangram. I hope everyone or understood that concept clearly. Good. Now we start to discuss the next topics is types of view. Types of view means we have the three types in this views. Okay, what does that means? We are going to see the object in different views. First we have to start the PEP activity. Yes, so first this is a PEP activity. Before the PEP activity they given one question, that is a key question. Key question means we have to see that question, what we are going to see in this concept, that is for the key question. What are the solid shapes made of? So using the solid shape we can see the so many real life object. Okay, so see here, that's Zainab dreams of becoming a pilot. What is it? Zainab dreams of becoming a pilot. Figure 6 shows what a pilot sees while flying on an aeroplane. What a pilot sees while flying on the aeroplane. Okay, so see this picture. See, those who have the studio means you listen in your studio. Those who not have the studio means please listen the video session. Okay, so see, this is the picture. Okay, now Zainab is flying in the aeroplane, that the pilot sees the land. Okay, see here, this is the object. Okay, this is while flying on an aeroplane, these things, I mean these object seen by pilot. Okay, so see the question, what shapes do the bus and the buildings look like when pilot sees them from an aeroplane? Okay, when the pilot sees them from the aeroplane, so see the bus and the building shape. So the bus is look like a, yes, very good. So it's a rectangle. So write the rectangle in the dash. Rectangle. Next one is a building. So the building is look like a square. Okay, write that square. Rectangle, square. Okay, those who not have the studio, take your notebook, write the date and subject, write the PEP activity 1.10, write in these things in your note. Okay, next question. Zainab wants to be the pilot when she's grow up. Okay, so Zainab dream is a pilot, become a pilot. But fill in the blanks with what you want to be. Here you have to write your ambition. What is the reason? Okay, why I would like to be a dash? Because I can dash. So here you have to write your ambition and the reasons. Okay, so what we have to get from that ambition, that you have to write. That's yours work. Okay, you have any doubts in the PEP activity? Yeah, so here what we learned means, if I flying in that aeroplane, the object is look like a square and the rectangle. Okay, so this is the view. Okay, if I stand in the top means what is the view of the, I mean what is the shape of that object, that it is a view. Okay, that is a view. You any doubts you have? Shall we see the next one? Yeah. Yes, so now we see the types of view. In the types, so how many types? It's a 3 types. What is the first one? Is the top view. What is it? It's a top view. So totally is there three types of views. How many types? 3 types. Okay, first one is the top view. Top view is that the top view of an object from the top. So see here, the top view is the view of an object from the top. So now we understood? Yes. So top view is that view of an object. Top view is the view of an object from the top. If I underline that word means that is a key question for you. I mean keywords. View of an object from the top is the top view. Okay, top view is the view of an object from the top top. That is the top view. Okay, this is the first one. Second one is that front view. Second one is the front view. So front view is that front view is the view of an object from the front. That is a front view. Okay, so the front view is that view of an object from the front. Okay, if I see in the front position, that is the front view. If I stand at the top, that is the if I view the object, that is a top view. If I stand in the front of that object, that view of the object is the front view. Okay, next one is the side view. The third type is the side view. Side view is that the side view is the view of an object from the side is called the side view. So what is side view? The side view is that view of an object from the side. That is a side view. If I stand on the side of an object, that view is called the side view. Now you understood? Yes. So this is the types of view. So first one is the top view, second one is the front view, third one is the side view. Okay. Top view, front view, third one is the side view. So top view is that if I stand the top of that object, that view is called the top. Okay, next one is the front view, means view of an object from the front, that is the front view. Side view is that view of an object from the side is called the side view. Okay, you have any doubts? Yes. Shall we see the next one? Yeah. Yes. So see here, the view that a pilot can see, this the top view. Top view is that view of an object from the top. So underline that word, from the top. From the top. Okay. Underline this full line. Top view is that view of an object from the top. That is a top view. Okay. Look at that bus. Which view do you think is that? Okay. So see in your active figure 6. So see, this is a top view. Yes. Next one is that front view. Front view of an object is a view from the front. Underline that line. Everyone should underline this line. Yes. So the front of a view of an object is a view from the front. So look at this. Which view do you think is that? So see. So this is a front view of the bus. Okay, front view is of the bus. Next one. The side view of an object is a view from the side. Underline that line fully. Yes. So this, see that figure 6. So this is the side view of the bus. So this is the side view and front view and the top view. You have any doubts in these 3 types of views? Okay. Next one. The top, front, side views of a few objects are given in the figure 6. So this is the figure 6. So here they took on one example. It's a bag and the table. For first one is the top view. So see, this is the top view of the bag. Next one is the front view of the bag. Next one is the side view of the bag. Next example, it's a table. So table, this is a top view, side view, front view, it's a side view. You have any doubts in this? Shall we see the next example? Yeah. See, those who not have the studios, write the line. Okay, write the line. What is top view? What is front view? What is side view? Okay, write these three lines alone. Okay. Yes, next activity 1.11. Those who not have the studios, write down in your notebook activity 1.11. Okay, those who have the studio, take 12 page number. Look at the given image and write if it is a top, front or side view of the object. Here we are going to write which view is that, which view is the given object. Okay, so this is a water bottle. So water bottle is a what is a view? What is a view of the water bottle? Yes, very good. That is a front view. Right? Right, all of you. Front view. Front view. Right, all of you? Yes. Next one. Next one, what is the view of the boat? Yes, very good. It's a side view. Side view. Next one is a, yes, very good, super. It's a top view. So because this object is seen from the top, okay, so that is the top view. So this is the side view. It's a front view. You have any doubts in this activity? So have you completed this activity? Shall we see the next one? Yeah. So next one is that different views of each object gives the face of that object. A face is a flat shape that makes up one surface of a solid shape. Okay. So next one is a hands-on activity. In this activity, you have to do it in home itself. Okay. First one is a follow the steps to make a solid shape. Okay. First one is a cube. So you have to follow the step 1, step 2, step 3. Take a matchsticks, make a frame as shown, use a clay to hold the corners together, follow the step 1 to make another frame like this. Third one, join one frame to other using a more magic stick as shown in the figure. So finally you make one solid shape, that is a cube. Okay, decorate the faces of the cube with the paper. Okay, any doubts? You have to do it in a home itself. This is a cube. Next one is that cylinder. Step 1. Take 2 equal small side bangles. Step 2. Stick the bangles on the paper on 2 ends as shown. So see the pictures also they given. Third step. Roll the sheet of paper to form a cylinder. Okay, form a roll that paper. Okay. Decorate the top and bottom faces. Okay, you have to do it in a home. Next one, it's a sphere. Take a small clay and roll it into the ball. So that is a sphere. Okay. So this is your activity. You have to do it yourself in home itself. Shall we see the next activity? Yeah. Yes. So next activity is a very interesting activity. We are going to find what is the top, front, side view of the solid shape. Okay, use the solid shapes created in hands-on activity 1.12 to draw the top, front and side views for each of the following. Use objects around you for the shapes you have not created. Okay, so here they given us solid shapes: cube, cylinder, cone, cuboid and sphere. Next one, top view, front view, side view. What we are going to do means, here we are going to draw what is the top view of the cube, what is the front view of the cube, what is the side view of the cube. Okay, so here I have some object, it's a solid shape. Okay, so see, so this is the cube. Okay, so have you all seen the cube? I know you already learned in the third solid shape in second standard itself. So see that all the faces are equal. What is the face? We call it as, yes, very good, it's a flat face. Very good, superb. So how many flat faces in the solid shapes? Yes, very good, it's a 6. Okay, superb. So see here, if I see this cube from the top, what is the shape? Yes, it's a square. So square, this is the top view position. Okay, here the top view is that square. So draw the squares first from the top view. Yes, very good. It's a front view. Front view is that this is the front view. Okay, so see that front view. I mean this is a front view. So front view is also that is a square, because in the cube is all sides are equal, all faces are equal. So in front view also we get the same square. Yes, the side view is also the square, because all the faces are equal. All the sides it's a square only. Okay, next one is a cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, cylinder. So this is a cylinder. What is the view of the top? It's a circle. Okay, you have to draw the circle. Okay, next one is a side. Side view is like a cylinder. The front view also is a cylinder only. I mean it's a rectangle shape. So everyone should use a ruler. Okay. Yeah. So next one is the cone. So see the cone. See the cone, all of you? Yes. Top view is the circle. Okay, top view is a circle. So next is the front view is a triangle. The side view is also the triangle. Okay. So top view is a circle. Okay. Side view is a triangle, and front view is also the triangle. Sorry, this is a side view. Next, this one is a front view. Next one is a cuboid. So see the cuboid. So this is a cuboid. Okay, cuboid is a front top view. Top view. Top view is that rectangle. Top view is a rectangle. Front view. Front view is a square. Front view is a square. Next is a side view. Side view is a rectangle. So this is a way you have to identify the shapes, solid shapes views. Okay, you have any doubts in this? You have any doubts? The last one is a sphere. Sphere is obviously is a ball. It's look like a ball. So all the faces, I mean all the views, it's just a circle only. So you have to draw the circle for all the views. Have this circle. Okay, so this is the activity 1.13. You have any doubts in this? Yes. So next is the home fun for you, that is a type of view. Companion 1B. Yes. So see, in that activity 1.B, look at the following pictures. Write the view of an object for each. One has been done for you. So see, so they given the top view, side view and front view. Already they given one answers for the first question. The second and third you have to write. What is the view for that? That name you have to write. Pictures they given, you just write the name alone. Okay, this is your home fun. Those who not have the studio, take down everything in your notebook and write the answers for the given questions. Okay. So finally you have to upload this activity in Chrysalis Home itself, Chrysalis Home app itself. Okay. Any doubts you have? Okay. Now I am going to conclude this session with a quick recap. In these sections we learned the types of views, 3 types of views. One is top view, front view, another one is a side view. Okay, top view is that view of an object from the top, that is a top view. Front view is that view of an object from the front, that is a front view. Side view of an object is a side view. Okay. So now we come to the end of this session. Thank you.